Okay, today I'm going to tell you some. In this video, I'm going to tell you the how to. I want to simulate my beam, which is placed with a concentrated load at the mid. So I want to make the beam of cross section 200 by 200. So I have to first of all select this one. I'm going to make this video for those who have a problem how to make the beam of 200 and 200 cross section. So let me start. You can follow this video for this problem. So part design, it is very simple. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes. So after selecting it, first of all you have to select one plane, that is I selected this plane, and go to sketch, and from here you have to select this center rectangle. From here I am going to make this one. Escape, double click on constant so that you can use the constant multiple times. It is of 200 and this one is of also 200 of rectangular cross section. Fit all in, exit workbench. Now you have to pad it, and I'm going to take the length of this beam of 5 meter. It means it is in we are working on mm, so we have to give 5000 mm, means 5 meter. Okay, zoom fit all in. This is the length of 5 meter. Okay, no problem. So now the most of you don't know that what is the file extension for this, how to import this Catia file to the Ansys. So you have to take care about this, because if you are save by default in this form, that is in this, if you click on save as, then it will save in this extension, that's cat part. So to import it on Ansys, I'm telling you guys that those who are making the 3D design in Catia, and they are importing this design to the Ansys, then you have to do that extension file which will that is acceptable to the Ansys. So for Ansys, this is STP and IGS form is acceptable as far as I know. So I'm going to save it an STP file and selecting it here and saving it. So I'm also saving this file. I don't need to save this file. Okay, how I save it? I have to name is part 1. Okay, there is no problem. Then I will minimize it, then I will go for the Ansys solution. Thank you for your